Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse. And yes, I have a bad cold. Not COVID, just a bad cold. But I had to do this video because My Creative Time has a new mini release and also a great sale this weekend. Plus, Emma is retiring a bunch of items in her shop, and you can apply the sale discount to those items. Yay! Alrighty, crafters, let's just go right into it. Let's get started. The discount 15% off everything this weekend with the code DEC 2022. Again, that's DEC 2022. That applies to all the retiring too. And I will put direct links for everything below that I'm showing. Also, I will put a direct link for that retiring. Put the code when you're checking out and you'll get 15% off the retiring as well. Even though Emma is retiring items, her vintage dies and stamps, they're like timeless. I have some of her items that I bought years ago and I still use them. So it is definitely worth taking a look at, okay? Okay, crafters, so here is the mini release. It's 2 6x6 paper packs, dots, solids, and stripes. One coordinates with the Let It Snow paper pack right here. You know my favorite, the purple, this love. And then my next favorite, this one coordinates with the Ginger Chefs with all the ginger goodness. Here's the Ginger Chef paper pack. I only have the cover. But you see how the colors coordinate? Like it picks up this deep teal, it picks up the blues. And even though there's dots here, it's like different dots, like so pretty. And then all these striped details. So now with the paper pack, you get 4 of 6 designs. In this one, you're getting 2 each of 12 designs. You're getting more options and colors, but not as many repeating pages, okay? So if you really like either paper pack, get 2. Let me just go do a quick flip through. I split the paper pack in half. So you get like this butterscotch color, which is gingerbread color. See the colors? So pretty. So these are great neutrals for all your card making. And then this one goes with Let It Snow. I just love the navy, the deep teal, the charcoal, the light gray, the purples, and the deep purples. Love, 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 love. I mean, look at that. Just love. So both of these paper packs will be listed below. And I'll also list underneath each one their coordinating paper pack. Both are in stock. These 2 are in stock, okay? All right, let's take a look at my examples. First up, let's go with this one. In this card, it features a few items because I did the envelope, and as you can see, I stamped on the outside of the envelope. You put the envelope together. It's a little 4x4 envelope. And here is the 4x4 note card. These are 2 separate die sets. And then I'll talk about all the other dies that I used as well. You're a cool friend, and you open it up. There's Snow Buddy like you. Isn't it cute? So it makes a circular card. Cute little envelope. And here are the items that I used to make this cutie patootie 4x4. First, it's the 4-inch circle card die, back in stock. Yay. Next, the 4x4 envelope die. Now to create this circle, because see when you cut the die, this one, you get a little square edge. And I'm going to bring it up to you. See that square rim right there? So what I did, I took this 4-inch circle card add-on. This is perfectly 4 inches, and that I put on top. So this is a super sturdy card because I'm using 110-pound cardstock. 3 layers of it, and it still fits in here, even with the pattern paper on top. And then for this cute organic snow detail, I'm using, this is 2 separate die sets, snowball stitch frame die layers. That's here with the stitch detail, and then the snowball frame dies. As a matter of fact, what I'll do, I'll also link the release for this and the release for the gingers. Now here is the stamp set, which is Warm and Fuzzy Hugs. It comes as a bundle. You get the stamps, you get all these sweet sentiments with a little heart and a great font, and then it's a bundle, so you get the coordinating dies and the dies cut out each and every sentiment and all these wonderful little guys, whether you stamp it or you use the paper pack. In the paper pack, I cut out the die cut pieces, okay? Right there, these guys with the coordinating die, and I stamped and then cut it out with the coordinating die for these two sentiments. Super duper cute. So I had the envelope in purple, but it was just looking so plain. So I took this image and just stamped it in purple on the outside. And then I took those little hearts and just put a few, and then you can address it for the recipient. Isn't this adorable? So all of this made that. I know. I was having fun. Next card. Yes, I was going big. 5x7. Shaker 2. There's a shaker back here. See the shaky bits? So this is a 5x7 card. And I used an embossing folder from my stash. This is a Christmas themed embossing folder. Nice organic theme. Therefore, I put it on craft cardstock. And then I took one of my favorite dies. If this is one of the dies that she's retiring, get it. It has a great price point. Add that 15%. Totally worth it. You can use that scallop by itself. And notice everything is inside out stitching. Love, love, love. About 5 inches tall. These inner ovals, they can be used by themselves. To create this frame for my shaker, instead of going the first and second, I went the largest die and then the third one in. These two created that thick frame, which is a little bit over 1/2 inch wide. Ooh, love. And then the goodies. One of my favorite dies too, Sweet Gingerbread Person, turned her into a little girl. And I took my little pen, changed the face. You can either use the face cutouts for the die or use a black marker and create a little face. And then I used Ginger Accessories 2. Now, both the Ginger Accessories 1, which is for the smaller gingerbread, and the Ginger Accessories 2, both of them are in stock right now. So get that, add that 15% if you didn't get it already, because it had sold out once or twice. Look at all these great utensils. Love it. And the hat. This is for the boy. If you want to do it as a boy baker or a little girl baker. They don't even have to be a baker. You could just take off the hat and they just be cute, just wearing a cute little jumper. You know what I mean? Adorable. And then these are the pockets. So I played with the paper pack with that one. I used the reds here. This deep, pretty deep red. Right here. Stripe for the hat. Then the back of it here with the red. And then this is actually from the paper pack. A sheet from the paper pack. So see how they all work together? Super duper cute. And then I took some of these, what would I call this? Like a copper gem from my stash, which I think has that great feel. I was just thinking baking with the gold, go back into that brown. I think it's adorable. A recipient would love this. And then on the inside, notice I don't have a sentiment. I stamped Sweet Holiday Wishes in a deep, rich brown pigment ink. Here's the die set that I used. Sweet Holiday Wishes. This is another bundle. Fabulous. Look at all the sentiments that you get with this. Love. And it's a bundle, so it comes with the coordinating dies to cut everything out. Yay! Love this set. So I just put the sentiment inside here instead of putting it out here because her whole scene, and I was just like, okay, stop. I don't think I did show you what I used here. So I'm coming back in. On this one, I used the light purple there, and then the gray, which comes into the back here. See? Solids, dots and stripes. And then on the inside, this is just cardstock from my stash. I could have actually used this one too, but I wanted to match the envelope. So that's why I went a different shade of purple. And then I can save this for something else. Yeah. Alrighty, crafters. I know I sound horrific. Hopefully I get better this weekend. Okay, crafters. So in summary, there is this wonderful mini release of these two cute little essential 6x6 pattern paper pads. This is great because you can use it for everything, backgrounds and such on all your projects. And I love that this one in particular fits that masculine colorway as well. So you can have, your fun girly. You can still go masculine too with these colors as well. So there's opportunity with these two paper pads. You can use them with the coordinating packs, and you can also use them for other projects as well because they're neutrals. Great essential neutrals. Okay, crafters, don't forget to use that 15% discount. It expires on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. So Eastern Standard Time, that's like 2:59 a.m. Eastern Standard. So you have all the way until Sunday night to shop around, look at that retirement, get that discount and then add the additional discount and score some really good stamps and dies, because I'm telling you, Emma's dies, they're fabulous. Always cuts well. Never had a problem with them. I've been buying My Creative Time for years before I joined the design team. So solid product, all right? Okay, crafters, until the next video. Happy shopping. Enjoy this mini release and the sale and all the goodies in the retirement too. Definitely check that out. Alrighty, crafters. Bye.